In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for a gray portrait shortcut with a padlock or white auto rotate one. As you can see, portrait is over here. So when I click, it's white and it says auto rotate. That means that auto rotation is now enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!